Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. It's a cold December day and I'm driving down a windy and bumpy road to see if I can pull out some cold weather bass. This is spot number 3. There is a creek that feeds into the main channel here. I caught a couple of fish here in the Fishing with Lojo video, so I thought I would come down on this cold December morning and try it again. Let's see what I can do. So here's what I'm fishing with today. I'm fishing with a Texas rig plastic worm, a red and black. This is a 5/0 extra wide gap hook. I'm going to give it a little scent. This is probably superstitious, but I'm not sure. I feel more confident when I have it on there. So whether it gives me the advantage or not, I think that it does. So I'm not sure how that affects my fishing, but hopefully it helps. I am once again fishing with the Abu Garcia Black Max. Since I had to send my KastKing away, oh, I thought I had a fish. If I need to get a new bait, I need a new bait. All right, let's see what's in the details. Lost it. Okay. All right, so here I am a couple minutes later, adding a new squeeze of power bait scent to my worm. So far it feels like I'm getting bites. Could be bluegills. I would like to get a bass down here, a December bass. That would be nice. So I'm working it slow and I'm working it low, and I'm using a finesse bait like a worm where I can let it sit there, and not a bait like a rattle trap or something that I have to keep moving. All right, I got a few pieces of submerged wood out here. I got some more wood in the water over there. I'm gonna try this piece right in front of me first. So I can feel rocks coming up as I slowly bring this worm in. So what it feels like is a steep rock drop off. Look at the chunks of rock in the water. I would say it drops off 15 feet at least. So this could be a good spot to find bass. This is an interesting way to fish, really slowly bringing it in, trying to feel every rock and bump. Chunk of log. I'm already on the bottom, so there's a deeper hole out this way. This way is much shallower. So there's a hole over here, a deep hole. I need to keep that in mind. Uh-huh. Fish! Come off. Oh! Killing me. Well, he didn't splash. I don't even see the wake from him. I'm gonna keep trying in there. Maybe he'll come get it again. Man, that's bumming me out that I had a bite and I didn't get him. Maybe I should put this reel on my my other rod, my 7-footer. All right, so this is my third lure in an attempt to catch whatever is out there. I had a couple of good bites on a plastic worm. I thought I had a fish on for a second, but I may have been attached to a tree, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna try this little swim bait grub style thing. So I got a swim bait, a small swim bait hook, and a twister tail grub with a minnow shaped body. Whoa, that might have been a bite. There we go, got a little something. This might be what was down there. Just got this small bass. Might have been chasing it all the way up to the shore. Let's see what else is down there. There we go. Fish on. What is this? It's a little bass. Finally. This might be what was hitting my worm and all this other stuff. If there's a couple of these little ones down there, there might be some bigger ones too. I'm going to keep fishing this spot until it stops producing bites. Could be a whole school of them down there. Could be a 3-pounder mixed in with them. All right, well, there we go. It's been an interesting day. It's really cold. My hands are really cold. I got 2 small ones. I had one on, I think, on a black and red plastic worm. But 2 small bass, not too bad. It's cold. I wasn't expecting much. Thanks again for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.